2.1 कंपॅरिझन्स आपण संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघणार आहोत. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यामध्ये क्वेश्चन 1 आहे, लिस्ट ऑल ऑफ द ॲडजेक्टिव्स इन द पोयम. यूज द कंपॅरेटिव्ह फॉर्म्स ऑफ ॲट लास्ट 8 ऑफ देम टू राईट न्यूट कंपॅरिझन. 2 ऑफ देम हॅव बीन गिवन ॲज एक्झाम्पल्स. आता आपल्याला ह्या एक्झाम्पलप्रमाणे आपल्याला हा प्रश्न पहिला सॉल्व करायचा आहे. फास्टर दॅन द वाईन, स्लोअर दॅन अ टॉर्टाईज. तर चला आपण याचं आन्सर लिहून घेऊया. आता ॲडजेक्टिव्स आपल्याला ओळखायला लावलेले, तर आपण ॲडजेक्टिव्ह इथे लिहून घेतलेले बघा. फास्ट, स्लो, बिग, स्मॉल, फिअर्स, जंटल, सॉर, स्वीट, ड्राय, वेट, स्क्वेअर, राउंड, कूल, वार्म, नॉइजी, क्वाइट, स्ट्रॉंग, वीक, हार्ड, सॉफ्ट, डार्क, लाईट, टॉल, शॉर्ट, क्रूक्ड, स्ट्रेट. आपण आपल्याला लिहून घ्यायचं बघा. ए आहे फास्टर दॅन द हाऊस. बी स्लोअर दॅन अ टॉर्टॉईज. 2 ए बिगर दॅन माय सिस्टर. बी स्मॉलर दॅन माय ब्रदर. क्वेश्चन 3 ए फिअर्सर दॅन अ लायन. बी जंटलर दॅन अ बटलर. 4 ए cooler than water. B warmer than a sweater. Then question 5a sourer than lemon. B sweeter than chocolate. 6a noisier than a machine. B quieter than a cave. 7a stronger than a tiger. B weaker than a rabbit. 8a taller than a building. B shorter than plant. 9a darker than night. B lighter than tube light. Then question number 2, list all the nouns in the poem. Find the suitable adjectives other than the ones given here for each of the nouns and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as a lemon. Answer. List the noun in the poem. First answer, spaceship, snail, dinosaur, nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, drill, ghost, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, midnight, noon, giant, elf, path, and shelf. For example, as yellow as a lemon. Answer, as rapid as a spaceship. Second, as tough as snail. Third, as dangerous as dinosaur. 4, as brave as a tiger. 5, as nice as a lamb. 6, as delicious as jam. 7, as hot as dessert. Question 8, as deep as sea. Question 9, as fine as house. Question 10, as green as pea. Question 11, as dark as cave. Question 12, as crunchy as toast. 13, as heavy as road drill. Question 14, as fearful as ghost. Then next question is question number 3 from group of 6 to 8. Think of similes using different objects. For example, dry as land, wet as a puddle. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. Answer. I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild, as happy as sunshine, like a fairy divine, as innocent as a lamb, as teeny as a gram. I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild. अशा पद्धतीने क्वेश्चन 3 आपण इथे लिहून घेतलेला आहे. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, राईट द पेअर्स ऑफ रायमिंग वर्ड्स. आन्सर, स्नेल, नेल, लॅम्ब, जाम, सी, पी, toast, ghost, kitten, mitten, moon, noon, elf, self, self, yourself. Then question number 5. Start a collection of idioms with the comparisons. Use the following categories. A. Idioms with colors as black as. So let's see the answer to question number 5. A. Idioms with colors as black as coal, as white as snow, as red as blood, as blue as the sky, as green as an emerald, as pink as a rose, as yellow as gold, as orange as pumpkin, as brown as a coffee bean. Then question B. Idioms with animals. Answer. As cunning as a fox, as brave as a lion, as hairy as a gorilla, as hungry as a horse. C. Idioms with objects. As black as coal, as soft as butter, as light as cotton. Then question number 6. Given below are some idiomatic comparison with like. Can you guess their meaning? Look them in a good dictionary. You won't find them under like. Which words will you look up to find these comparisons? Answer. Like a bull in a china shop. Answer. Here, china means delicate articles of porcelain. Like a cat on a hot tin roof. Answer. Here it means very restless or anxious. Like a red rag to a bull. Answer. Means something that will cause an injury or a violent reaction. The next, like a cat that stole the cream. Answer means very pleasant about something you have achieved. Next, like water of a duck's bags. Answer, not having any effect on the person being criticized. Next, memory like a sieve. Answer, forget things easily and quickly. Next question, using your imagination, write more comparison using like. Answer, like a sitting duck, like a fish out of the water, like an open book, like a rainy day, like a bitter ground in a sweet shop, like the plums of the peacock. अशा पद्धतीने आपण कंपॅरिझन 2.1 संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप इथे आपण बघितलेला आहे. हा व्हिडिओ जर आपल्याला आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा व चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.